Humane demos comm badge-like wearable. What is a comm badge? With projected screen. What?
Communication badge, I'm guessing.
Whoa. I'm supposed to know what that is? Like, what is this, Star Trek or something? It must be something. Yeah, it is Star Trek. There you go. After various teasers, Humane revealed its product. Ex-Apple designer Imran Chaudhry demoed the comm badge-like in Star Trek device. I knew that we weren't supposed to know what that meant unless we knew about some pop cultural reference. It's small. Is it pinned on there?
Yeah. And I'm guessing this is supposed to replace your phone at some point.
Running Android. Could be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. Smaller than a smartphone, obviously. And it's right in the breast pocket of the jacket or sitting right in that area.
But what's really cool is that it projects some sort of screen on your
That's
hand.
weird. Only a small sliver needs to be peeking out. With the top portion containing the laser projector, it creates a virtual display on the palm of your hand. Oh, man.
Which you can interact with.
It's cool. I mean, that's very science fiction.
Yeah.
This is, what is this about? They're called Humane. Is this about kind of getting our heads out of our phones?
I think so,
Okay.
yeah. Instead of looking at a screen, it's just more kind of fluid.
That's interesting. It's a very cool thought. Voice input for more things, staying connected with the world. You've seen the approach of dumb phones that do less, so there's not such a mind suck, swipe fest. But maybe the actual hardware has to change for anybody to actually make that alteration. But when you saw those dumb phones come along, nobody bought them. Nobody actually made the move. It might be too much of a sacrifice and lacking in a cool factor. Is there a cool way of having people come back to Earth?
Yeah. And also interfacing at a different level, but having the same interactions.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just like this demo here just kind of shows off like the potential of like another communication device that's not a phone. That's not a tablet.
Well, I've been talking, we talk on this show so many times about how voice could be doing so much more.
Yeah.
Voice and then add a little projection. I mean, he's got it. What is he looking at? A protein bar? What's he doing? Reading a QR code?
I think it's, scanning something, some sort of info.
It's just tough. It's extremely ambitious and tough to get people's heads up out of the sand. I mean, good luck. It's cool. I mean, it's fun. It's cool. I like to think about these things. But people are immediately saying, where's my TikTok?
Where's my TikTok?
Yeah, they're just looking at that and they're going, here's a projection. Where's my... I mean, I just talk to people. I live in the world. I don't know how many humane types are out there. Maybe eventually, once we realize how poisonous things actually are, then we start to really aggressively look in other directions. But I don't know when that moment happens.
I think this is a good time to watch the movie Her.
You've been saying that for years.
Know, but this is a good time because their communication device is like this. It's no screen.
Yeah.
And then you have like an earpiece and then you just talk to an assistant. And then they'll provide you anything you need.
All right.
Go watch it, man.
Okay.